Are you gonna feed your friend? Oh, Stephen, you're a good seagull. See how he eats it. He like jams it down his throat. Decides, holy fuck, that's a big chip. And does a little. Glorious sunset, by the way. It's a shame you all missed it, but it's pretty awesome. Kevin, make this seagull's day. Don't throw them on the car. Is he a happy seagull?
Yes.
I think your legs sticking up like that through the condor.
Okay guys, I'm gonna leave this week's vlog here. It's very short, it's very, there's not a lot in it, but every week it's not gonna be something huge happening. Some weeks I'm gonna literally have just gone to work and just slept because I'm tired and shit. But, having said that, don't miss out on next week's vlog, because there's something in this bag that you Nintendo don't want to miss. So I'll see you then.